right, today's the new walk. We haven't been down this path yet. Kind of a cool way. There's a walk path out here that they're repairing. I guess this must be the original that they reopened. This got damaged in the Hurricane Barrel. But we're gonna do some steps today. We're going back around the back here, and I think there's a big old steps that go straight up the mountain, which is gonna be fun.
Okay.
They're beautiful.
Taylor, this is good coffee. Yes, they do.
They have really great coffee.
I'm doing weekend coffee.
We also have paninis that I've wanted to try.
Oh,
Here we go.
Go, Phil,
Da, da,
go.
da, 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 da.
yeah, I won't be doing that. Good. Sing
All right. Whew. This is one of the less steep hills.
Suspicious.
Right. We summited.
Okay, we made it back. It's just Julie and I now. We lost everyone else. Phil and Mary kept going up the hill, and Christy and her group, we lost them at the grocery store, I think. So here we are again, back down the hill here, around to our dinghy, and back to the boat.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Beautiful.
I don't know. This is Queen or Princess somebody walk trail. So Queen Mary? No, not Mary. Queen Elizabeth. We think it's Queen Elizabeth walkway here. So apparently they built this just for her to walk on. Looks like you might find some mushrooms up there. Yep.
Come on.
These guys are fixing this damaged part right here. Yep. Back to the dinghy dock. Back to the boat. Go back to the boat, hang out, get some. We got to run over and grab eggs, take our trash in, and then tonight's Thanksgiving dinner. We're gonna have turkey. I'll get a little piece of this, get a little of that.
We're having a better time than everybody else out there.
All right, Beth, you missed it. This would have been your favorite hike right here, Beth. As long as it doesn't start raining, I think we'll be okay. Whew. This is, I'd say this is the most challenging one so far. This is not really a trail, it's a creek bed. So that's the way we're going, like straight up. How you doing, Earl?
Good.
Yeah. Feels good. Every step. It's just like climbing stairs, except it's slippery rocks. You guys doing okay back there?
All good.
All right. The good news is the walk home is a lot easier.
Just slide on down.
I think it's a nice walk, man. Yeah. So this is the hard part. Hey,
I can't even watch it.
HW was here. Scraping. A little windy. That's pretty slick. Zoom in if I can see Marley down there. Julie's floating around behind the boat, hanging out.
Yeah, I have to say she's topless.
All right, here we are. We're going down the trail now. We're going down now. We already made it to the top. This is all really wet in here. We're going down a different trail than the way we came up. A little bit less gradient on the way down, so it's not so steep. But it's going down on the other side of the island. Then we're gonna have to hike back over on the roads back to where we started, which is fine. Not a big deal, but kind of coming down a grassy side here. It's pretty. Check this out. Yeah, we've been hiking every day, walking every day now for about a week. I'm glad we did that because this hike was challenging at the beginning. Super steep, basically climbing up a creek bed to get up here. And then now we're taking the easy trail down, but it's not really that easy because it's super muddy. Not that great. Gotta put my phone away. Get down this. Not good. I find it's easier just to walk in the grass than it is down the trail. I was gonna do the whole thing again later this afternoon for anybody who wanted to join.
Nice.
Yeah. Everyone's cruising down. I'm gonna check this place out real quick. Hello? Oh, look at that. Got a whole downstairs. Hey, cute little house. Slap some paint on that, be ready to go. Whew. Whew. Now we're almost off the hill here and starting to get down into the neighborhood of the islands. Down here. Oops. Excellent. All right, we're almost to a road. All right, we just got back to the beach. Today we hiked along the trail all the way up to the top of that, down the backside and then around and back. So we just made it back and gonna head in. I think we're gonna go get some doubles. All right, these are called doubles. What's in the doubles?
The doubles. It's basically chickpeas, and they're cooked in almost like a curry sauce.
Yeah.
And then there's chutneys on top. So sometimes there's like a tamarind sauce, and there's cucumber chutney on there, and a little bit of hot sauce, and you can get it with chicken on it.
I just told her to put everything on it.
Yeah.
Put everything on it. Okay. All right, here we go.
Those are some long beaks.
This is how you get your laundry done in Bequia.
How are you? Good. Are you delivering my laundry? Are you the co-captain?
2 years old, so she wanted to.
She's so beautiful. Okay.
Hi.
Thank you. And it's 80, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have fun.
Hi.
Thank you.
Cute.